Hello students, let us revise chapter ratio. So what is ratio? Ratio is the comparison of two quantities of same kind. If we have two terms or A and B, then ratio of A and B is denoted by A colon B. So we read it A colon B, which can be written as A upon B. Now let us take few examples. Let us take question number 3, first part, to find the ratio of 60 paisa to rupees 2. 60 paisa to rupees 2. Now if you see here, units are not same. So let us change rupees 2 into paisa. So rupees 2 is equal to 200 paisa. Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, so rupees 2 will be 200 paisa. So which can be written as now 60 upon 200. 60 paisa to rupees 2 will be 60 upon 200. Cut 0 and 0. Cut 6 and 20 by 2. So we will get here 3 and we will get here 10. So it is coming out to be 3 upon 10, and if you write it in terms of ratio, then it will be 3:10. Let us take one more example of 1.5 kilometer to 500 meter. Again, units are not same. Let us convert kilometers in meters. So 1.5 kilometer, first you remove the decimal, 15 upon 10 multiply by kilometer. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So multiply it by 1000. Cancel out 10 and 10. It is coming out to be 1500 meter. It means we can write it 1500 meter to 500 meter, which is equal to 1500 upon 500. Meter and meter will cancel. Cut out 2 zeros. With 5 you cut it. It is coming out to be 3 upon 1. And in the form of a ratio, it will be 3:1. Now let us take question number 7. Question number 7 is, divide 1 month profit of rupees 10,000 between Ramesh and Ravi in the ratio 1:4. It is question number 7. Total amount which is to be distributed is rupees 10,000, and ratio of Ramesh and Ravi is 1:4. Ramesh ratio Ravi is 1:4. Now let us find out the sum of the terms of ratio. Sum of terms of ratio is 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. Now we have to find share of Ramesh and share of Ravi. Therefore, share of Ramesh, it is 1 upon total sum of the ratios, multiply by the amount, total amount, that is 10,000. With 5 you cancel it. So it is coming out to be rupees 2,000. Now let us find out share of Ravi, which is equal to, ratio is 4 upon 5 multiply by 10,000. Cancel it out, and 4 2s are 8. So it is coming out to be rupees 8,000. If you add these two, it should come out to be 10,000. So amount that Ramesh is getting is rupees 2000 and amount that Ravi is getting is rupees 8000. So like this we have divided the total amount in the ratio 1:4. Thank you.